Hello, my name is Noelle Joy, and I am the herb track leader for the Organic Grower School Spring Conference. A little bit about me: I manage a medicinal herb program at a student teaching farm called U Garden at the University of Georgia, and we grow a bunch of different medicinal herbs, and then we dry them and put them into a line of herbal products like herbal teas and seasoning blends. And the whole idea is that we're trying to teach community members and students how to grow medicinal herbs. So I love that part of my job, and I want to tell you about the cool and wonderful presentations that will be a part of this conference. So the first one I'll tell you about is actually mine. I'm presenting on botanical skincare, and I'm going to be going into different ways that we can love on our skin, and I'm going to go over some of my favorite herbal preparations like hydrosols and botanical infused oils. And then we're going to have Clarenda Stanley, or Farmer C, from Green Heffa Farms. She's going to be talking about basically starting a farm and then scaling it. What she started is a hemp and boutique medicinal herb farm, and so she's going to talk about some of the business considerations and funding and finding your niche and scaling. So that's going to be super interesting and really valuable information if you're wanting to start a business with medicinal herbs. And then finally, we're going to have Amy Brantley and Eileen Schaefer from Herb Girls Athens, and they're going to be talking about herbs for oral health, and they're going to be going into different myths and ways that you can use herbs to support your oral health. It's going to be really interesting. I'm excited to watch all of these presentations, and I hope you learn a lot and enjoy the rest of the conference.